Hi, this is Nate from Web 801, and I'm going to go through a few basic things on how to run your WordPress website. The first thing we'll go over is how to log in. As you can see up here, we'll go to the domainname.com/wp-login.php. We'll then enter in our username and a password, and then click Login. Once we're here, this is called the dashboard. And there's a few things we can do with the dashboard to just make it easiest to use. You'll see a lot of different things here. Not all of these do we need right now. So I'm going to go up to the top and type in or click on the screen options. Then I'm going to uncheck at a glance. I'm going to uncheck activity, uncheck this one, uncheck quick draft, uncheck WordPress events and news. And then I'll move some of these around. For me, on this particular site, the most important thing are the leads. So that's the forms. I also want to know the site health, and the Yoast SEO stuff is good to be aware of. The good news is once I've edited that, I don't have to come back and do that again each time. So that's logging in and setting up the dashboard.